Zhouqing Hongwang Hardware Company Limited, established in 2008, is located in Jingdu Industrial Park, Gao Yao District, Jiaqing City, Guangdong Province, China. The factory, covering an area of about 6,000 square meters, it is a high-tech enterprise integrating scientific research, development, production, processing, import and export trade, industry and trade integration enterprise. It has a group of high-tech talents, an efficient sales team, and 150 excellent employees. Our company's current products mainly include auto parts, electronic products, doors and windows, building hardware, metal crafts, PVC and silicone gifts, metal home accessories, and decoration. The company has obtained authorized patents of computer software copyright, software product registration, and scientific and technological achievements registration. It has quality management system certification and international certification of SGS inspection, identification, and testing, and has carried out EPR certification and CE certification for French and German exports. At the same time, it has several qualifications such as IATF 16949 2016, Automobile Quality Management System Standard Certification, and ILS International Labor Standard Certification. The company adheres to the business philosophy of customer first, quality first, and honesty first, realize the common development of enterprises and customers, and maintain strong competitiveness in the fierce market competition. We look forward to joining and cooperation with you.